Good morning, student. Now we have to start the third chapter on elementary concept of statistics. We have already learned some articles: additive law, probability distribution function, probability distribution. Then in offline, we have to start the new article. In online, random walk and binomial distribution. Okay. In this article, we have to study the random walk and binomial distribution of drunkard. Okay, a drunkard is standing near the lamp post on a street. This is the lamp post. Okay, this is the street. This is right side. This is left side. The length of each step taken by a drunkard of equal magnitude L, small l. The steps are drunkard equal magnitude. This is the small l. The drunkard may start walking and he may take some steps on right side. This is right side or left side. This goes to zigzag type. Right, left. Okay. Each step is completely independent of the preceding steps. Okay. The probability of drunkard moves to right side is P. This side is P. After each step, while the probability of drunkard moves left side is Q is equal to 1 minus P. Okay. After each step, let N1 be the number of steps. Okay. This is the N1. N1 be the number of steps on right side and N2 be the number of steps on left side. Okay. Therefore, the total number of steps are capital N is equal to N1 plus N2. N1 is the right side steps and N2 is the left side steps. The probability of any given sequence of N1 steps and N2 steps is given by the probability is PP up to N1 time QQ up to N2 time. This is the probability of given sequence N1 and N2 is equal to P to the power N1 and Q to the power N2. This is equation number 1. This is the probability of P side steps, means right side steps and left side steps. Okay. Therefore, there are many different possibilities taking N. N is the total number of steps, left as well as right. So that N1 steps are to be right and N2 steps are to be left. Therefore, the number of distinct possibilities is given by N factorial upon N1 factorial into N2 factorial. These are the possibilities of N, capital N steps. Okay, this is equation number 2. The probability of W of N into N1, this is capital N, probability of capital N means total steps is by considering N total number of steps. It is given by just multiplying equation 1 and 2. This is equation 1 and this is 2. Multiplying equation 1 and 2, then we get W of N of N1 is equal to N capital N factorial upon N1 factorial N2 factorial into P to the power N1 into Q to the power N2. This is equation number 3. Okay. The probability function equation 3 is called the equation 3 is called binomial distribution. NOEMIL, binomial distribution. This equation is called binomial distribution. Okay, the random walk and binomial distribution, the subarticle is simple random walk. This is subarticle on this article is the simple random walk problem in one dimension. This is the subarticle, simple walk problem in one dimension. In this article we have to use this diagram. Okay, some fundamental results of probability theory are obtained from the simple random walk problem. The techniques which are used in study of this problem are very powerful and basic. Now we have to study the simple random walk problem in one dimension. Okay, a drunkard starts from lamp post. This lamp post starts from this lamp post on a street as shown in figure 1. That is x is equal to 0. Position is 0. The length of each step taken by a drunkard, that is the L small l. Let n1 be the number of steps on right side and n2 be the number of steps on left side. Therefore, the total number of steps are n is equal to n1 plus n2. This is equation number 4. Okay. Now the net displacement of a drunkard will be the displacement of a drunkard will be x is equal to ml. Okay, where m is an integer lying between minus n to plus n, where m is a integer lying between minus n and plus n. Minus n means this side and plus n means this side. Okay, that is minus n is less than or equal to m is less than or equal to n. Okay, therefore the net displacement to the right side is m is equal to n1 minus n2. Therefore m is equal to n1. What is the value of n2? Minus of n capital N minus n1. This is the value of n minus n1. Okay, this is equation number 5. Therefore m is equal to n1 is 2n1 minus capital N. This is equation number 6. Okay, the probability of sequence of n1 steps to the right side and n2 step to the left side is equal to a to the power n1 into q to the power n2. This is equation number 7. This is the probability sequence. Okay, n1 and n2 side, where p is the probability of drunkard, where p is the probability of drunkard on right side, while q is the probability of drunkard on left side. Okay, after each step, the number of distinct possibilities is n factorial upon n1 factorial into n2 factorial. This is equation number 8. Okay, from equation 7 and 8, then we get the probability W of capital N into N1 is equal to n factorial upon n1 factorial into n2 factorial into p to the power n1 and q to the power n2. This is equation number 9. Okay, now the equation 9 is the binomial distribution. We have already discussed in this equation. This is the binomial distribution. The expansion of p plus q to the power n using binomial theorem is p plus q to the power n is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to capital n factorial upon n1 factorial n2 factorial this is n factorial upon n factorial into n minus n factorial to the power p to the power n into q to the power capital N minus n. This is equation number 10. Okay, now the probability p of capital N into n of finding the particles or drunkards at the position x is equal to mn. Okay, the after n step is same as w of n into n1, that is p of n into m is equal to w of n into n1. This is equation number 11. Okay, from equation 4 and 5, then we get from equation 4 and 5, then we get what is the equation? n1 is equal to n plus m upon 2 and n2 is equal to n minus m upon 2. This is equation number 12. Okay, we get the probability of particle after n steps from equation 9 and 11. From equation 9 and 11 as p of capital N into m is equal to n factorial upon n plus m upon 2 factorial into n minus m upon 2 factorial p to the power n plus m upon 2 into q to the power n minus m upon 2. This is equation number 30. Okay, if p is equal to q is equal to half, then we get p of capital N into m is equal to n factorial upon n plus m upon 2 factorial into n minus m upon 2 factorial. Then what is the value of p and q? This is 1 upon 1 by 2 to the power capital N. This is equation number 14. Okay, and this is the equation of simple random walk problem. This is the final equation of simple random walk problem in one dimension. Okay.